You're drinking water, eating right, taking your vitamins, but somehow you still feel exhausted. You wake up tired, hit an afternoon slump, or struggle to bounce back after a long day. So what's going on? The truth is your body isn't absorbing nutrients the way it should. Even with a healthy diet and proper hydration, the digestive process slows things down. By the time your body absorbs what it needs, you're already running on empty. But what if there was a way to get faster, more effective hydration and nutrition without waiting for your digestive system to catch up? That's where IV therapy comes in. Unlike oral supplements or hydration drinks that have to go through digestion, IV therapy works by delivering vitamins, minerals, and fluids directly into your bloodstream, allowing your body to absorb 100% of the nutrients instantly. No waiting, no breakdown, just immediate benefits at the cellular level. When you take vitamins or drink water, your body only absorbs a fraction of what you consume. With IV therapy, essential nutrients bypass the digestive tract completely, meaning you get higher concentrations, faster absorption, and better results. At AgeRejuvenation, we offer specialized IV drips designed to help you boost energy when you're feeling drained, hydrate faster after travel, illness, or a tough workout, strengthen your immune system to fight off sickness, recover more quickly from stress, fatigue, and dehydration. Whether you're an athlete, a busy professional, or just someone looking to feel stronger, sharper, and more energized, IV therapy is an easy, effective way to reset your body and restore balance. So what can you expect during your IV therapy session? It's a quick and comfortable experience. You'll start by selecting the IV formula that best fits your needs, whether it's for energy, immunity, hydration, or recovery. Then, our trained medical professionals will place a small IV line in your arm, and the infusion begins. The process takes just 30 to 45 minutes. During that time, you can sit back, relax, read, or listen to music while your body absorbs the essential nutrients it needs. Most patients feel noticeable improvements within minutes to hours, more energy, better focus, and improved hydration that lasts for days. And this isn't just for athletes or high performers. IV therapy is for anyone who wants to feel better, recover faster, and function at their best. If you're constantly tired, struggling to stay hydrated, or need a quick boost for your body and mind, now is the time to try IV therapy. Don't wait for exhaustion to take over. Come visit AgeRejuvenation today and get your energy back.